welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this Arc Chill cooling t-shirt. Cooling like no other. So let's give this thing open here and see what it looks like. So let's see how this looks. It's not a little weight to the bag, but oh my God, they shipped it in a huge box from Amazon. I got this from Amazon. In a huge box. I don't even like giving a big box for such a little thing. So let's see what this looks like here. Just opening it up. There's a piece of cardboard in it. Well, there goes something. Okay, and so this is what it looks like. Nice black shirt. And what size did I get here? I got size large. So here, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it feels nice and soft. I'm gonna try it on here. I'll get back. Oh, I have to do the microphone. One second. Okay, so I'm back. So how do I look? Okay, so this is it. It's super thin. This would be great for like swimming and stuff. Like if that's kind of what it's for. It's got this, oh, sorry, I'm not talking into here. But it's an Arc Chill, yeah. So it feels like it would be good for swimming or anything. It's a little tight-ish, but I guess that's the kind of the style for this particular shirt. I mean, I'm not terribly bad, but so large seems to fit okay. It'd be good for swimming or for hanging out outside or something. So I like it. It's super nice and thin. So seems good to me. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Here's some of the information on it. I will hold it up. So there, if you want to see it, you can zoom in. And it's by EleGear, EleGear, I guess, EleGear. And so that's the front. So that's it. I like it. Seems pretty cool to me. Thumbs up. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Bye.